Welcome or welcome back to my channel, Crafty Nurse Q. Today's video, I will be cash stuffing $850. I will be cash stuffing into my variable spending wallet, my sinking funds, and my savings challenges today. Okay, so this is the beginning of September, and this is what I'll be cash stuffing. These are the categories that I have. I went ahead and wrote them out already, and I've already did the budgeting for them. So basically I just put the 850 and just keep cashing out, subtracting until I get to zero, and that's how you get your zero budget. And then you do the same over here. You transfer it over. So I just transfer exactly what I had on the breakdown sheet over to my bills tally. It's the cash denominations tally breakdown sheet. And these are available somewhere in my shop. Okay, and then when I do my budgeting, I did want to show you this. I put all of my bills, and I'm just going to use the Happy Planner this month. I put all of my bills up here on the front, just everything, and I put a check mark. And then as the weeks come up, I make sure that either that amount is in the bank, or if it's something that I have to go in manually and do, I do that. And that's how that goes. All right, and we are going to get started with my variable expense wallet. And I'm going to see how today goes, but I've been leaving this because it's harder for me to put this into my wallet, and I'm going to eventually, this is going to be an upcoming video, but I'll be switching out, and these are I'm going to be going back to the A7 for a little bit. I saw this on Amazon, but I'll set this up in a separate video. All right, we're going to get started here. Okay, that's it for the variable spending. That one is ready. I did that. I have to actually look. It's really today because I'm doing this video so late. But I have to travel out of town to take my husband to an appointment. So that's why I was thinking I wanted to switch to the A7 wallet, but it'll be okay. I'll just take a slightly bigger bag. Okay. So let's go here for my debt snowball. I will be putting 40. Okay. And let's go right here to this month ahead. Let me see what's getting the funds next. Hold on. Okay, so my month ahead is getting 60 today. And from this, I can see that cell phone was done. And the next thing I was doing was car insurance, and it needs 375. So let's go there. Car insurance. I'm going to add 60 to this today. 60. And these are worth 6 each time. So I'm going to mark off 10. And now it has 20, 40, 60, 81, 120, 140, 160, 175. All right. And then I go to the next highest one. Once that one's done, I just go to the next highest one. Once I started doing this way, it made more sense to me in my mind. Okay. All right. So that's all I'm doing in that one. And then all the other ones just get this funded. And then I put a bunch of them up here for once they get funded. Like the subscriptions is funded for the month. You know, once they get funded, they just go there. All right, let's do sinking funds. And I will probably be switching this out too, because we're going into fall and I like more of the muted, the muted pinks and this color. Okay, let me see. Okay, so my savings today is getting, what did I say? Let's do this. Let's start with this sinking fund. This back to school needs to get its 20 every week. And I'm just going to mark this off. Right, so that means I have 80. Okay. And I always get the kids. Kids are getting, okay, so the kids one is getting 10. It's going to get 10 today. Did I mark it? I put the 10, right? No, I didn't put the 10. Okay, put the 10. So it has 100, 120, 140, 160, 180, 190 in this wallet now, in this fund. Okay, same will go for this one. It gets a 10. And it's already got the 100. And when I add the 10, it will be at 95. And then I'm going to have to switch these trackers out. And it has 100, 120, 140, 160, 180, 195. Put a 10 here. So it should be at 160, 100, 120, 140, 150, 160. Birthdays. All right, let's put another 10 here. And birthdays. Is that right? 60, 80, 90. So it'll be 100 in birthdays now. Did the month ahead. And this is for savings right here. And I was about to, I'm going to switch this one out. I have a savings, whole savings binder, but I want to put it in here instead. So I'm going to put it, it's not low priority. All right, so it'll be right here. And today I'm adding $50. This really is for the challenge 20, 40, 50 because I go back and I'll do a savings challenge video after this. So I got $50 in here now. All right. All right, and this was a quick video. Hopefully it stays quick. So thankful you guys joined me today. If you're new here, my name is Qvadis, and this is what I do. I do cash stuffing videos. I am seeking to pay down debt, doing it one thing at a time, one cash stuffing at a time. If you found any value, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. All right, and what's going to be coming up? So this is the thing. Last month I spent like $2,700, I think it was, on like food and household. So I'm starting to get back into my couponing. So I'm gonna see, like, every time I go shopping, I'm gonna see how much I can save on that. So now that I know how much I've been spending, now it's time for me to start slashing it. So that's the challenge that I'm giving myself for this month. It can at least be, knock off 25%. I don't want to go too much in my mind, even though with coupons you can get it down, but I don't want to go too far. But make sure you're checking the links below. And there are a lot of freebies that I have on the shop. And thank you. Until next time, go ahead and watch this video that they are recommending. All right, have a great day. Bye.